So, sorry, I ended the video by accident, but so a continuation of this video. So, financials are still not bad, and then margins, and then we have debt. The debt is about the same. Book value gone up. Cash reserves, then none of that. Then we have the income. Looks pretty flat to me. Balance sheet looks okay. Operating and then investing, financing. So it has to be under 16. So negative. So they have, what is it? Let me see something. That was millions. So they can cover the cash flow with the net income, but that can only go on for so long, and eventually, you want to be just cash flow positive, and then obviously you want to slightly grow or stay the same with the net income or whatever else you can do, but it's okay to stay flat when it comes to your numbers. But again, you want to see improvement over time. That's the key thing, and I'm sure many companies, that's the goal. So rising dividends, this company does have, and again, it's not much. Only raised it by like a penny or two. So we can see here in 2020, it was 51 cents, and then the last payment in 2020, 52 cents. So it raised for the year. So that was for the end of 2020 and going into 2021. Now in 2021, you see the first three payments 52 cents, and then a raise of 2 cents. So pretty much just 1 cent and 2 cents, and they do not have any splits. So for this stock, I'm gonna say it does need a little bit of work. I would like to see more cash flow, and then again, I know it's hard to be breaking even or not losing that much in the stock market when so many companies are down. But again, the thing is, a lot of companies had the advantage to go up during 2020 and 2021. So you got to say it is pretty fair if stocks went up the past 2 years and now they're starting to go down. So it is what it is. So for this stock, I'm gonna say no as of right now. And it's decent. It's not bad. It just needs a little bit more work. So as of right now, I'm gonna say no. But hopefully later on, I can say yes to it, and it can improve the cash flow. So the next stock up that I have is IFS, and this one ain't too bad. I already see it went down, but it's still holding up. If it continues to go down, then that's really, really a bad sign. Let's see what the 2020, in March of 2020 or around there. So the low for that in 2020 was about $18, and we're slightly getting close to it. So for market cap, it's not bad. 52-week high and low is not bad. Yield is at above 7, close to an 8. Dividend payout is at 1.7. Earnings per share is pretty strong. And again, 52-week high and low is not that bad. So now we're going to look at the analysis. I'm going to see real quick. So 5 bullish and 3 bearish. It's funny how the 3 people that are bearish, you can actually see confirmation. And what I mean by that is, this was like 2 months ago, but then it hasn't even been a month yet, and people are already like bullish. on it. Look at all these little green dots here, green dots. Honestly, I think it's too early to be bullish. But again, who isn't bullish? All these companies and platforms and stuff, the majority of them, they're gonna tell you to buy or to hold. Again, which is not a good idea in the stock market as of right now. So we have here very undervalued. The technical seems good, but I don't like I like the technicals, but I do not like the fundamentals too much. So that's a vote of 1-to-1. Now what's gonna break it down to me is the quants. And the quant rating, oh boy, I don't have no quant rating. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue into the income sheet and the balance sheet. Hopefully we have plenty of information. Now we're gonna look at the annual stuff here. ROE, ROA, so no net margins. Net income and total revenue, not giving me any of that. Income has gone up in 2021. And as you can see, the balance sheet, and I just couldn't believe the numbers. It was starting to do good here from 17, 18, and 19, then all of a sudden they went back up in 2020. And now the thing is that yes, they have gone up in net income, but thing is that going to encourage them to spend more? Because if they raise their stakes in debt, then I just hope that does not become a bad habit. I do not like companies and managers where it's okay to spend a little bit, but yeah, no, it's just not gonna work when you have people spending way too much. So operating cash flow is 1.35. Again, they have negative cash flow, so pretty much they're down. Like, let's see. They're down like 2 billion. So I'm gonna say no. They're having cash flow issues, and even though they up the debt, and even if they have a slightly more net income, yeah, they're not managing money pretty well. So I'm definitely gonna say no to this stock, even if they pay. Yeah, I'm gonna say no to this, and they only pay once a year. So yep, this stock I'm gonna say no. IFS. So next one up and the last one up that I have is BFST, Business First Bank. And we're going to look at the first page, technicals and fundamentals. So we have here 52-week high and low. Slightly needs more work. Volume, I don't like. I don't like this stock. It looks too flat on the chart. I don't like that. It looks inactive. 52-week. I don't like the technicals at all. It looks too weak. And let's see what else. Trying to see what else. Then we have the feeds analysis. Yeah, I want to see what we have for the quants. So highest number that we have is 6.48. Could round that off to 6.5. So for the value, it's telling me that's slightly overvalued. So we're going to continue with looking at the value. And, oh boy. So significant drop. They went from Q2 2021, and then they dropped. That's a big drop. In Q3 2021. Definitely a big drop. I need to look at. So this will probably continue later on. So net income is good. Balance sheet, highly levered. Cash flow, BFST, not bad. So again, the fundamentals seem strong, but the technicals, I'm not too crazy about them. And again, I don't have anything. I don't have much for the. So that was that. What was the next number? So momentum at 5.3. I just can't wrap my head around it. Rising dividends, they are doing. And again, this stock seems okay, but looking at it, I mean, they grew from 2019 to 2020. Congrats on that, but it doesn't look like they're managing money pretty well at the moment. So I'm gonna say no to this one. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry the video was too long, but I try to inform you guys, educate you guys, and also try to have fun with you guys. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me go over the quick overview. So I'm gonna do these stocks again, and again I'm gonna do the quick overview tomorrow in the next video. So again, have a good night guys, and I'll see you till next time.